Let's learn 50 fun words with pictures and sounds. Object and things. Apple. Apples are healthy and taste sweet. Ball. Balls are fun to play and bounce with. Car. Cars help us travel faster. Dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly pets. Cat. Cats are cute and love to cuddle. Fish. Fish swim gracefully in the water. Book. Books help us learn and imagine. Chair. Chairs make us sit comfortably. Table. Tables hold food, books, and more. House. Houses keep us safe and warm. Next, nature. Sun. The sun gives us light and warmth. Moon. The moon shines at night beautifully. Star. Stars twinkle brightly in the sky. Tree. Trees give us shade and oxygen. Flower. Flowers are colorful and smell nice. Grass. Grass makes the ground soft and green. Cloud. Clouds bring shade and rain. Rain. Rain waters plants and cools the earth. River. Rivers give us a fresh flowing water. Mountain. Mountains are tall and full of beauty. Next, animals. Bird. Birds can sing and fly high. Cow. Cows give us milk to drink. Horse. Horses run fast and strong. Elephant. Elephants are gentle and very smart. Lion. Lions are brave and powerful animals. Tiger. Tigers are strong with beautiful stripes. Monkey. Monkeys are playful and clever. Rabbit. Rabbits are soft and love carrots. Bear. Bears are strong and cozy in winter. Duck. Ducks swim well and quack happily. Colors and shapes. Red. Red is bright and full of energy. Blue. Blue is calm like the sky. Green. Green is fresh like nature. Yellow. Yellow is cheerful like sunshine. Orange. Orange is juicy and joyful. Circle. Circles are round with no corners. Square. Squares are equal on all sides. Triangle. Triangles are strong with 3 points. Heart. Hearts show love and kindness. Rectangle. Rectangles are useful for books and doors, accents and daily use. Run. Running keeps us fast and strong. Jump. Jumping makes us active and happy. Eat. Eating gives us energy to grow. Drink. Drinking water keeps us healthy. Sleep. Sleeping makes us fresh and rested. Play helps us have fun and learn. Smile. Smiling spreads joy everywhere. Sing. Singing makes heart feel happy. Dance. Dancing is fun and full of energy. Write. Writing helps us share our ideas. Thanks for watching. For more interesting like this, subscribe Kids Chain Diary.